How to add a bio on Snapchat. So if you want to add a bio on Snapchat, then first you need to open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, now go for the upper left, which has that profile option, and then go for settings, which is on the upper right. Once you're on the settings, now here you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down under the public profile settings, you will have an option of edit, or you will have the name of your Snapchat account. So simply tap on the public profile settings, then you will have this kind of interface. So simply go with the first option, which is edit profile. Once you tap on edit profile, now under your profile information here you will have a bio option. So this is the bio. Here it says tap to add bio. So you can simply add a bio that is comfortable to you. So simply write anything. So once you've added, you just need to go back, and once you go back, your bio will be added automatically. So that's how you can add your bio on your Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.